Right, here, first day, all setting up. 8 o'clock in the morning. We've just done the trip. We're out in Germany. Mike, just done the trip of 13 mile there, 13 mile back, so everything's all tickety-boot. All ready and waiting. There's the setup. Bike and the trailer and everything, so all ready to go.
Definitely need some rocky music.
Definitely need some rocky music.
Yeah.
Right, you got a digital watch?
No.
Right, I've got one. 8:15.
8:15?
Yeah.
Okay, what I'll do...
1:15.
Yeah. Well, what I'll do is, I'll travel 3 or 4 mile down, right, hook up somewhere.
Yeah.
Have breakfast.
Yeah,
and then wait for you guys to go.
Do a bit of shopping.
Do a bit of shopping.
Yeah.
Maybe catch a flick.
Yeah. Find out where the nearest convenience is. And then...
Well, you're not far from the campsite anyway.
No, we're not. We're not.
We're not. We're all set. We're ready to go.
This is number 1. This is the German.
If you can, pick me up some mint chewing gum.
Mint chewing gum.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Take it easy, Paul, yeah?
Good start.
Way to go. Just take it easy, fella, take it easy.